to play Spotify through your mic. So hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily use your mic to in your Spotify. So before we go, just make sure you have downloaded and installed your Spotify application, and inside the Spotify application simply sign up and make sure you're logged in. And once you're logged in, you just have to click on your profile icon, and once you click on profile icon, you will see the option called your library. Just make sure you have enabled that library. From there you will see something like this, and then you will be seeing something like this, the your library option like this over here. You just make sure you have enabled it, and once you do that, what you need to do is you need to download a software called VV Audio Software. You need to go to this site to download this. As you can see in the screen, the voice meter with the double E. And once you come over here, you just simply need to download it. It will download as a zip file, and after that you simply need to open the application, and it will be, and your application interface will be like this. And for it to detect your microphone over here, it will blink sometime, and for it to detect your microphone, you just need to make sure that your microphone is actually working. You can simply do that by heading over to your settings, and inside settings simply head over to your sound settings. Once you are inside sound settings, simply head over to adjust volume, and from here you can know that your microphone is actually working or not. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if it was. See you in the next one.